loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce and for those of you that are new to this channel, you're welcome. Please click on the post notification bell so you'll be notified when next I post a video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you my natural hair routine. Today is my wash day, so I'll be showing you my wash day routine and how it has been helpful, what works for me, how it has been helpful so far. Today's video is specially sponsored by Bellstar products. I've been using their products since I started my natural hair journey, and it's been great on my hair. It has made the process easy and easy to maintain. Bellstar produces hair products that are safe for the hair, be it natural hair or relaxed hair, whatsoever texture of hair you have. I've been using that product for about 3 years, so not only does it soften my hair, it gives me a healthy hair look and feel, it cleanses my hair, it aids hair growth. You should try them. Check them out on Instagram on @Bellstar products. I've had my natural hair on all through this week. For the past 2 weeks, I did apply some gel, so my hair is a bit frizzy. I'm not going to comb it. I will just wash my hair that way and probably comb it while I have my conditioner on. And for products, you guys already know I use my Bellstar products, Bellstar Detangling conditioning shampoo, and I use the Bellstar shea butter, coconut oil and avocado oil deep moisturizing conditioner. I've been using this products ever since I started my natural hair journey, and it's almost 3 years now. The product is great for my hair. I feel like my hair loves this product. I also pair it up with the Bellstar shea butter, almond and avocado moisturizing leave-in conditioner. So let me just get right to it. So first I go in with my Bellstar natural hair detangling conditioning shampoo. This shampoo softens my hair, it detangles, like you can literally feel the softness of your hair on your palm. Yeah, it detangles, and I gently detangle my hair while washing. It conditions and it aids with hair growth. And then when I wash that for a while, it also deeply cleanses my skin, my scalp, I mean. So then I go in with my Bellstar natural hair deep moisturizing conditioner. This conditioner deeply moisturizes, of course, stops breakages, add volume and strength to the hair. I leave this on, I massage it into my scalp and I leave it on for a while. I cover it with a shower cap, but I didn't show that here. Then I leave it in for a while. It has this stimulating minty feeling to it, and then after a while I comb my hair and then I wash it off. So after ensuring my hair and scalp are well cleansed, I then go in for a hot oil treatment. I'm using the biotin oil from Bellstar. When having a hot oil treatment, you have to check the temperature on your hand first and ensure it's not too hot so you don't burn yourself. Now, how I do my own hot oil treatment is I put it in an empty bottle that I'm no longer using, and then I soak it into a hot water. Like I boil the water to be hot, and then I put the bottle of oil in there just to heat it up a bit before I go in to apply on my scalp. And the purpose of a hot oil treatment is that it increases blood flow in the scalp, which promotes a healthier hair. It increases hair strength, it adds more moisture to the hair, therefore reducing dryness. It relieves you of dandruff, reduces frizz, and a hot oil treatment could give you fewer split ends. So like I said, you could use any oil of your choice. I sometimes use coconut oil, but right now I'm using the biotin oil from Bellstar, and it has this minty feeling to it. As you can see, I really love massaging my hair, guys. Like it gives me this, it makes me more relaxed and it makes me feel sleepy afterwards. And the biotin oil from Bellstar has a very nice smell, so it I just love the whole aura from it. So I leave it in for a while. I cover my hair, I leave it in for a while. Then after about 30 minutes, I then wash off my hair. It still has that minty feel. Even when you're washing your hair, guys, like it's so relaxing and it aids hair growth, so more reason you should get it. As you can see, I really do love massages. So finally, I'm going to have my tea rings. In here I have hibiscus tea, chamomile tea and green tea. So the reason why I like to tea rinse is basically to add more moisture to my hair. It prevents shedding, breakages, because there was a time I was really having hair breakages, but I hardly have that now ever since I started using the Ayurvedic herbs, or I start using tea rinse on my hair. So it prevents breakages, and for the hibiscus it makes my hair color richer. Do you get, like, it adds more color. It just makes my hair look a lot healthier. So I then go in to make my hair. So that's my wash day routine. I really hope it was helpful, and I also hope you get to try the Bellstar product and let me know what you think in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye.